Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. So today I have the layered with lace bralette collection for January. Stay tuned. Okay, so layered with lace is a bralette collection that is monthly. Your cost for the bralette is $16.99, and I think that includes shipping. These bralettes are really, really pretty, but they do run really small because I wear a 36B, which I thought I would be a medium. I've been getting larges, and I still think they're too small. But I'm not sure, if I needed to go to an extra large or not. So let me, if I can open it. It's like always so stuck because it's those little envelopes. Super cute packaging though. I mean, this is a way to send it if all you're sending is a bralette, right? So let me get that out. Garbage in the box. Okay, guys, let's see what it looks like. It feels really nice. And it's very stretchy. And I don't know if it's black. No, I think it's navy. This would be super cute under a summer shirt or dress. Can you see this? Hope it's coming in clear. It is super cute. I really, really like it. So it's got, bring this up closer so you can see the lace. It's got this lace sleeves to it, shoulder straps. Let me look at the front real quick. So the front's stretchy too, but it does have lace around the V-neck part. And then the back, it's just super simple, just the same material that's on the front without the lace. And this is a large. It's not, none of these are padded. Oh, I think that's super cute. I like the stretch. Some of the bralettes don't have a lot of stretch in them. I've had to give my daughter one or two already, and she might be getting some more because I've already lost 10 pounds on most. I still can't fit in them. But I'm still 36B, so I don't understand. I mean, if I'm a 36B and you go up a size, say, or two sizes, if I went to an extra large, that would, I don't know, would it fit or be too large? Because the large is actually still too tight. It's not in the breast area, but in the back area. I have a wide back, and that is my issue. I think it gets too tight around the body, not the actual breast area. So just like I said, this one is my January. I think it is beautiful. It's really, really pretty. So I will let you guys know how it fits. And I guess that's about it for this video. I hope you guys are having a great day. And I appreciate that you took the time to come hang out with me. These layered with lace videos, I don't know if you're going to see them anymore. I am thinking about canceling my subscription due to the problem of sizing issues that I'm having. I don't want to be paying $16.99 every month and it never fits right. So hopefully one of you guys have normal fitting, unlike me, who's, older, with, I wouldn't say more rolls. Okay, I'll be brutally honest, I guess. More rolls or more fat, around you than a young girl would have. So, but I think they're beautiful. I think they're doing a good job picking them out. I love the styles that they are. It's just the sizing that I'm having issues with. So, once again, thank you, subscribers. I'm so glad you guys hang out with me. I'm at 158 subscribers right now. I need to get to 250 to do my next huge giveaway, guys. Huge. Gonna have a Balzano bag, gonna have makeup and lifestyle and skincare and just hair stuff, just everything's going to be shoved in this purse to send to you guys. So I will let you know. I will post a video once I hit my 250 subscribers. And once again, thank you for helping me get there. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down at the bottom. I do unboxings, as you see, many different kinds of unboxing. I do makeup and beauty, skincare, clothing, travel videos, weekly vlogs, daily vlogs, reviews. We do a little bit of everything here. So I would love to have you. So like I said, if you want to join, down below. And the rest of you guys, thank you again. I appreciate you. Please know that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.